Do you enjoy cooking? Did you enjoy cooking when you were younger? Do they speak English? Did they learn English when they lived abroad? Do we have any upcoming appointments? Did we have any appointments last week? Do I need to make a reservation for dinner tonight? Did I need to make a reservation for dinner last weekend? Do the dogs like to play fetch? Did the dogs like to play fetch when they were puppies? Do your parents own a vacation home? Did your parents own a vacation home in the past? Do these jeans come in a smaller size? Did these jeans come in a smaller size before? Do you want to join the soccer team? Did you want to join the soccer team in high school? Do you like to swim? Did you like to swim when you were younger? Does he enjoy watching movies? Did he enjoy watching movies during his summer break? Does she play any sports? Did she play any sports in college? Does it snow a lot in this area? Did it snow a lot in this area last winter? Does Emily like to read? Did Emily like to read when she was younger? Does the dog bark a lot? Did the dog bark a lot last night? Does your friend enjoy painting? Did your friend enjoy painting in art class? Does this store offer free shipping? Did that store offer free shipping last month? Does the gym have a swimming pool? Did the gym have a swimming pool in the past? Does the book have a sequel? Did the book have a sequel when you read it? Does your brother like to travel? Did your brother like to travel when he was younger?